humans, welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally getting around to filming another makeup tutorial. Today I am doing a purple eye look that a fair number of you have asked about on my TikTok. I'm still not entirely sure on the best way to go about filming these, so we shall see how this turns out, but hopefully it's better than the last time. Also, side note, please ignore my hair. I just took a shower. I know I look like a wet rat, but we're going to be tying it up now, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, so once again, first step, I'm going to take canvas from the James Charles X Morphe palette and prime my lid, and I'm just going to use my finger because I'm a professional. Alright, so the next thing I do for this look is totally cheating, but there is a very sharp edge, and it's made of eyeshadow. I don't put eyeliner on this usually. I actually might today, but usually it doesn't have eyeliner. There's a very sharp edge, just eyeshadow. And I could do it myself, but it is quite time consuming. So instead, I use electrical tape and put it on my face. You've probably seen a lot of people say not to do this. They say not to do it with Scotch tape. This is electrical tape, which is even worse. I honestly wouldn't advise this, but I've never had a problem doing it. I've been doing it for multiple years, so that's just what I'm gonna do. Uno and dos. Those are not the same angle, and I look like a clown, but honestly, I'm past the point of caring, so let's move on. Alright, to start, I'm taking the shade Single from the James Charles palette, and I'm not going to try to explain what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show you. Ta-da! Alright, next going in with the shade Escape, I'm going to go mostly like around the crease and out along where the wing would be to create some dimension. These eyes are sisters, not twins, y'all. Okay, and I'm also going to blend that out about halfway across the lid. Next, using the shade Spooky, which is obviously just that lovely black, I'm going to go a little bit into the corner and the outer portion of the crease, but mostly focusing along like the wing. Okay, next using the white shade, which I believe is Face, I'm going to go across the inner half of the lid, and then I'm going to foil the purple shimmer artistry on top of that. And then, I'm not sure how well you can see, but there's kind of a fair bit of glitter that got sort of above the area that I wanted it, so I'm going to just blend that out a little bit with the shade Escape and kind of conceal that in a way. Alright, the last thing I do before taking the tape off is mascara on just my top lashes. This one's got a little wiggle in it. I don't know how that happened, but I'm not mad at it, so... Alright, now I'm going to go along my lower lash line with the lighter purple shade Single. And the same thing on the other eye. Next thing I do on the eyes is mascara on my bottom lashes. Alright, I'm taking this little round brush. It's a paintbrush, but most of my makeup brushes are. I'm going to be taking the highlighter ring light and applying that to my inner corner. And I know there's a lot of ways of doing the inner corner highlight. I kind of do it flat, going that way, and then pull it out that way to kind of create an open corner and a doll-like shape to the eye. And that is actually everything for the eyes. The next thing I'm going to do is my brows. Alright, I hope this lighting is correct because I had to go do something, so I need to turn off my ring light, and the intensity is not the same as it was before. Well, I hope it's the same as it was before, but I don't think it is exactly the same, so hopefully it's not too noticeable. That little lighting ramble aside, we're going to get into the brows now. I think I explained how to do these thoroughly enough in my first video, so if you want to see how I do them, you can go watch that, but I'm just going to do them off camera. Here's the brows. They're not perfect. I use an eyeshadow to do my eyebrows, and I dipped into the wrong color a couple of times. But they're alright, they're here, that's what counts, so we're just gonna move on. Next thing I'm going to do is contour. Right now when I do my makeup, I'm definitely contouring most heavily on my jaw. I don't have a problem with it, but I have definitely gained a little bit of weight being in quarantine. My dad is buying junk food all the time, so my face is a little kind of softer looking than I like it to be. I like a very kind of scary, gothic, angular sort of contour look, so yeah, we're just going to get into that. I'm going to take my lovely fluffy brush, which is once again a paintbrush, because I'm cheap like that. I'm going to do my jaw and temple contour with the tan shade Punch Me, and my cheekbone contour with the deep rose sort of shade Mary. Alright, the contour is done, and now I'm just going to take the shade Ring Light and highlight my cheekbones, nose, and brow bone. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is the little eyeliner drawings on my face. I don't do them about half of the time that I do this particular look, but today I felt like them. Also, a lot of the time when I do this eye makeup, I just do kind of like black streaks down my face with eyeshadow. But today, we're going to do the little upside down crosses. So taking my Black Cat liquid lipstick from Pretty Zombie Cosmetics and this little pointy paintbrush, I'm just going to draw those on. So when I do this, I like to look directly forward into my mirror so that I can line up the cross with my pupil. And I just do a line like that. I don't worry about if it's rough or if there's, spots where the pigment doesn't go down, because I kind of want it to look a bit rough, so and I do both the lines down before I do the lines across. And I try to get those roughly even. It doesn't always work out for me, but when it does, I think it looks just a lot better if they're more symmetrical. And there is the crosses. Now the last step for this look is going to be the lipstick. I get questions about this particular lip look a lot. So to start, I'm just going to lay this down just like you normally would doing a liquid lip, all over even as a base. Also, just so y'all know, this lipstick usually goes on a lot better than it's going on today. I actually left this bottle out without the lid on for like 20 minutes the other day, so it's kind of dried out. I would just get a new one, but Pretty Zombie Cosmetics, that makes the lipstick, is an American company, and right now with COVID-19, shipping times are extremely slow and the exchange rate is horrendous. If you don't know, I am Canadian, so I can't really justify the amount of money that it would be to purchase a new one right now. Alright, the edges are a little rough, but we're just gonna work with it. I'm not going to be filming or shooting with this look on for anything but this video, so I'm not too fussed about it, and we're just going to move on. The lipstick I usually do to accompany this eye look is a matte black lipstick with a purple shimmer. The way I do this is I lay down my black lipstick just like I just did, and then go over top of it with the purple shimmer from the James Charles palette Artistry. I just take the shadow on my finger and pat it onto usually just my bottom lip. Okay, so I did both lips, but as you can see, it is a lot less glitter on the top lip than on the bottom one. Sometimes after I use the shimmer, I will go around the edges of my lips with the black again, just to create a bolder, cleaner look. Today, I'm liking how just the glitter looks on the black, so I'm going to leave it. And this is the completed look. I don't know why I bother doing my right eye with this hairstyle, but it's whatever. I really, really love this look. Purple is definitely one of my favorite colors, and I think this is just so stunning. I don't do it as often as I would like because working with the purple shimmer is so annoying, but I do absolutely love the results. I think it is just absolutely beautiful. Alright, that is it for me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, you can leave a like down below or subscribe to see more from me. I am hoping on posting more tutorials in the future. I would love to see you over on my TikTok where I post videos much more regularly. You can find that linked in the description below, as well as my Twitter and Instagram. You can also find all of the products I used in this video linked in the description below if you would like to check any of them out. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!